Hey everyone, morning. So today we are in Lombok and we're going on a little bit of a Lombok tour. We're going to a waterfall, we're going to a museum, we're going to watch the sunset up a hill. We're doing lots of really cool things. This morning we've had breakfast. There was waffles, but we didn't actually get any because it was just, they went really quick, and then by the time that they'd come back we'd eaten 17 croissants and 13 mini cakes, so yeah, that's tomorrow. So yeah, just getting the last few things already in my bag. So yeah, I'll update you when we get on the bus and stuff. This is our view from the hotel. It's quite nice actually. There is a KFC there though, which apparently you should not eat because it's bad and it makes you ill. But look, it's nice.
Yeah.
On the bus!
No,
We're going to the Pearl Museum. I think so. I think it might be there. Cute. They make pearls or something like that. This is the Pearl Museum. It's not focused. Yeah, it is now. So random. There's a cute fish. Cheese. It's really nice. The museum was a bit strange, but but this place here is really nice. Nice and green. That's inside there. Be random. Be strange. So I actually slept on the bus a lot, apparently very uncomfortably, like this. And my neck's gonna feel it, but I need something now to wake me up. So it will wake up.
Can I get some fries?
The view is amazing from this place we're having lunch. We're just looking what to get, but we're a bit nervous because we want spring rolls, but they're on the dessert menu. And it's always kind of a bit random. Like it could very easily be a dessert spring roll, so.
And look at the other spring rolls. I think it's gonna be fine. Banana cheese.
We're gonna try.
I feel like I look back at this picture and think, what the hell's that?
Yeah, it's really far away, isn't it? This is a kind of better view. You can't really see it though. Like it's. Oh. There's some rice fields over there as well. We got vegetable spring rolls. It looks nice. There was chocolate on there. This looks good. Opinions? Oh, nice. Their eyes. Oh. He wants some food. He wants some chicken.
Can I give him my egg? I was gonna say
maybe.
Yeah, I've got it.
Or your chicken bone. It was nice. Food. We're feeding the dog. Aww. Poor dog. Got iced coffee. It's nice.
Not even.
7 minutes specifically for this iced coffee to come.
It's not like the one
It's really sweet, but it's really good. And the views are really nice. This is me not wanting to put music over this, but wow, look how nice drone footage this is. Over the waterfall, in the fields and the mountains. It is so, so cool.
Wait,
So we're going, everyone can be in it. We're going on the waterfall, to the waterfall now. We all do, this is great tanning lighting. We're walking to the waterfall. We've eaten. Yeah, Elise didn't eat. That's fine then. maybe we'll eat later. Possibly. It's a 20-minute walk. It's a 20-minute walk. That's nice. It's a 20-minute walk there? Yeah, 25. 25-minute walk. It's going to be beautiful. Exciting. Preparation for the waterfall. We've all covered ourselves in back to 6 tan enhancer. And Em needs bug spray in back to 50. Classic. This is so cute. It's going to be a nice walk. I like it a lot. I like it.
It's in the vlog again.
We're here at the waterfall. Then we're going to go in. Got to get those pics first though. But all our legs are shaking.
from the walk. I'm very refreshed now.
Yeah. Nice steam and sweaty.
There's the rainbow.
Gonna go in, gonna put my waterproof case on it. Literally get soaked down there. I'm literally so, we've been here for like 2 seconds. Whoa. It's literally so pretty here though, but you get absolutely soaked. Would recommend to a friend.
10 out of 10.
Very enjoyable.
So fun.
One day. We're going back upstairs now. Good. Cool path. Whoa. Pretty. We're trekking. So nice. It's not yet. Is this the waterfall? I know. Look at this. So we have to climb over this tree trunk to get to the waterfall over there, but it looks really nice. Really nice. We're here at the waterfall. Jangan Buang Sampah Sembarangan. That's what it is. It is beautiful. Oh, the sun up there. Oh, so nice. This is honestly one of the craziest things I've done in my life. This is mad. We're going through a tunnel. Where needs to flash on? We're in like an actual tunnel. Oh my gosh. It's all water. This is so pretty now. Wow. So pretty. Monkey. Cute little wild monkey. I know. Back at the first waterfall now. Just there. We got snacks. We got snackies. I'm excited for these.
I actually haven't tried this one, just egg, but everyone is eating them.
Yep, so let's do it. There is so much traffic. It's a marriage celebration. Oh, this is all the marriage. How nice. Beautiful. We stopped to see the sunset. It looks amazing. It does look beautiful. Wow. She's really doing her stuff. She is really good. Whoa. It's like a picture perfect moment. Wow. What do you all think of the sun?
Beautiful. Incredible. Wow.
She's so nice. She's so nice tonight. This is me and the sun.
Lifting the sun.
Holding the sun.
I did that
Ah. Look at this. The sun is literally going down. Beautiful, perfect end to the day.
Is it actually happening?
Right now.
Right now?
Right this
You
second.
put me on the spot like this?
Yeah, I am.
I've had no time to even think about what I was going to say.
Quick fire, go!
I just said what I had to say, so... I don't
right
know.
then.
Welcome to... what's your vlog called? What's it called?
I don't know yet, I've not
This can be
named
your
it.
intro. Yeah, but what's your channel called?
Reese Poppy.
Reese Poppy. Welcome to Reese Poppy's vlog of Bali on the 26th of July.
Yeah, we're in Lombok.
Lombok.
Come on.
Indonesia, welcome.
Yeah.
Apparently I had to say something, so I'm saying what I had to say. Is that good?
That's brilliant.
Brilliant.
There you go, and then you can try.
Look at the guys just fishing. He's definitely watching me record him now.
Yeah.
Awkward. Woo! Yeah. We're back and we're running up the stairs because the lift is awful and doesn't work, and apparently we're too heavy for it. We're gonna win. So we're racing them. We're on the 7th floor and we're currently on floor 3. We can do this. We've just got, well, we got back to the hotel and we've just got changed and now we're heading to the really nice pasta pizza place for some dinner before we go out for karaoke and drinks later on. Looking super cute. It's really nice.
She's in my makeup today.
Yeah, she looks beautiful. Big day. She's trying to make an impression. I wonder who.
Oh my god.
We're going to karaoke later on as well. So we're just at a pizza place. Me and Em have got a gin and tonic. It's nice. Some of the girls got wine. Some girls got water. Pizza. Excited. Yum. This looks really nice. This is a really cute place. And the pizza and pasta is so nice. They hand make it all. If you're coming to Lombok, come. We're going to karaoke now though. This is Marina. This is where they do karaoke. Summer day when you were gone, I crashed my car into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. Morning for me and my extremely nutritional breakfast. Pan of chocolate, croissant, unsure, waffle, unsure. Nice. We've come to the beach, but look how close the tide is. It's literally nearly going to hit us. It's like the whole beach. There's a tiny spot over there though that we're going to head to. Some people are feeling fresher than others after yesterday. Not mentioning any names. But we're just going to chill by the pool for now. Jet ski later probably, which will be fun. The UV is pretty high, so we're going to get that tan on. Oh my, I'm literally spraying myself with sand with these flip-flops. And it's hot, hot, hot. Yeah. We're back at the same pasta pizza place. Because there's not much to do here, so this is a really nice place, so we keep coming here. I got pizza last night, so I got pasta today. It was so hot at the beach, and it's actually really hot in here to be fair. We're just heading now to top up our SIM cards because all of our data's run out because we only got 7 gigs, so apparently we can top it up here. So we're going to try and sort that out now. The pasta was really nice. So yeah, data topped up. I managed to get 2 gig for like £2, which is crazy. Or 3 gig, maybe. Just going down to the outdoor seating now. I'm gonna do some reading. I think I burnt my eyes today, but so yeah, I'm determined to finish this book. That is my mission. We don't think we're gonna have dinner because we ate really late, so we might just go for dessert. We're outside, but it looks very grey. It's absolutely about to rain, isn't it? Yes, yes it is. We're undercover though, so I'm going to finish this book and then no.
So I said she'd go 25 minutes. Finish your back in 25 minutes. I'll finish in 25 minutes.
We've come back to the exact same place to get dessert. Exact same place. We've got a chocolate thing. It's supposed to come with pistachio ice cream. It looks quite nice to be fair. We'll see. Dessert.
I'm not sure about the ice cream.
Let us know your thoughts.
Yeah.
Thoughts and opinions.
It looks like crumbs. it looks like Play-Doh.
It doesn't. Okay.
Mmm. Yummy. Is that taste test?
All I could taste was the wooden spoon.
Go again.
Why is it so crumbly?
Nice.
Pistachio-y.
Oh, I like pistachio.
I like that a lot.
Great.
If you like pistachio, you're winning.
Okay, I do.
It's like really pistachio.
Oh, I like that.
That's just all round.
It doesn't taste
It looks really nice. Knife, my spoon in it. Whoa. Oh. Not as good as the other thing.
It's like, no, I like it.
Oh god.
But I don't love it.
Bit juicy.
Yeah.
Bit juicy.
The outside's a bit.
Whoa, it is really multi. It's like too runny nearly.
This is the issue when you've got French.
French line. I look like a Teletubby.
You do.
It's not that idea.
Gonna do a little face mask. Hopefully this gets rid of my puffy eyes because they're burnt. Oh no.
Not to be racist, but the eyes are so small. Do not put that in the vlog.
Oh dear.
Is it just me that?
Why is my nose like so dry?
I always think, right,
Nose
the face mask make everyone look like a rabbit, right? Hear me out. I just think it makes your teeth look a bit rabbit-like. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna quickly go get it.
Go get it. Wow. We look really fun. I'm just gonna...
Why is mine like not white?
Why? Do I see yours?
It's like fully like
It looks like
See what I mean? It's a bit rabbit-like, isn't